Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And yes, I've already uploaded the readings for the entire new year. Do check that video, and I just hope it resonates, and all the best. So let's see what are the messages for Virgos. So what are your energies, Virgos? What are your energies, Virgos? Okay, so we have the Two of Pentacles on your side, Virgos. Let's see what are the energies of the person you're dealing with. Okay. We have Five of Pentacles on your person's side. Let's see what is the most likely outcome in this situation. Okay. Six of Swords. So Virgos, you are undecided regarding this person in this situation. For some reason there is some sort of a confusion perhaps, or maybe you are undecided for some reason. On your person's side, they feel abandoned, they feel rejected, they feel maybe you're not talking to them because you are undecided, but this person feel ignored and rejected. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Six of Swords. So letting go of something. Now we'll see what that letting go is. Okay, so let's clarify the Two of Pentacles on your side, Virgos. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. So for the Two of Pentacles, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Okay. So let's clarify the Five of Pentacles on your person's side. So for the Five of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Six of Swords. Okay. So let's clarify the Six of Swords as the most likely outcome. So for the Six of Swords, we have the Hangman, the Moon, and the Devil. Oh, okay. So as far as your energies are concerned, Virgos, for the Two of Pentacles, we have the Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. So you are trying to balance yourself, I think, from within. You are stuck between the past and the future. It's a decision which needs to be made. So you're trying to sort out your life, you're trying to balance your own situation so that you are ready to open up emotionally. So you need to let go of some past situation to open up emotionally and to move forward in life. Okay, and that is what you are trying to sort out in your life. You're trying to balance your life. I think you are perhaps really not talking to them, maybe because you are actually involved in your own stuff. You're actually involved in balancing your own life actually. Okay, so though you want to open up emotionally, you want to have a new beginning in love, but before you are able to do that, you need to release the past. Okay, and it is perhaps not easy for you to do that, and that is why you are just struggling within, I think, if not struggling exactly, but yes, you are doing the work required, or you need the time to come out of this negative energy. So you are doing that balancing in your own life. Okay, you're balancing your emotions, balancing your head and heart, whatever it is, but it is your own inner work which you are doing, and that's very beautiful. On your person's side, we have the Five of Pentacles. For the Five of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Six of Swords. So somehow the vibe which I get here is that since this person is feeling ignored and rejected, now this person is perhaps moving away for a new beginning, and that new beginning is for a commitment, for something long term, because this person is perhaps looking for a committed relationship. And since you are not opening up, maybe this person is moving away from you. Okay, so moving on in their own life so that they can get their wish fulfillment and their happiness and their commitment, whatever they feel. That is what they are thinking, and that is what is this situation making them understand. So that is what they are doing exactly. The most likely outcome is the Six of Swords. So for the Six of Swords, we have the Hangman, the Moon, and the Devil. So definitely here the situation is stuck. perhaps both of you are not revealing much to each other. So what the thing is, there is some sort of uncertainty in the situation because things are not moving forward. This thing relationship is stuck, and maybe whatever this situation is, maybe it has been here since a long time, okay, and that is what is really making this person unhappy. It's a long standing relationship, and that is why I think the devil is shown up here, because it is getting toxic for the other person. It is getting unbearable for the other person to wait since a long time. Maybe they've been waiting and waiting and waiting for you to reach out to them, and maybe you have taken a lot of time in taking a decision. Okay, so this person, in the lack of clarity, they perhaps decided to move away finally. So let's see what is the message from this deck for you. Okay, 23. Number 23 may be of some significance for you. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. Take it as it resonates with you, Virgos. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.